I'm now here at the Cabo Beach, Coron, Palawan. This is my second day. The first day I did island hopping. I went to Barracuda Lake, Kayangan Lake, Siete Picados, and so many islands. Today, I'm just going to go to this beach. It is named Cabo Beach, and the other one is Makilit Hot Spring. This is my first stop for today. Yesterday, I witnessed the beautiful islands of Coron. Today, I'm going to go and witness the magnificent hot spring here. At my backdrop, you can see the Siete Picados or the 7 islands of Coron. One of the tourist spots here. Today, I'm just here witnessing the beautiful Cabo Beach. If you have time, try to visit Coron. Try to witness its majestic views and its magnificent islands. Again, Cabo Beach here in Coron. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in Coron. Bye guys!